Ond mae'r Seintiau Newydd wedi bod yn sigledig yn ddiweddar ar ediad o 2 gêm Gynghrair heb ennill. Ond mae ganddyn nhw'r cyfle i ddringo nôl i'r copa b'nawn yma. Dyma Adrian Sislowicz ar ymyl y cwrt, y croesiad at Curtis Byrne. Ond y peniad yn syth, lawr yn corn gwddw Mike Lewis. Byrne yn cael gormod o le yn y cwrt. Chris Marriott, teg at Aaron Edwards. Dyma Mullen, chydig o le gan Kane Lewis allan ar y dde, croesiad. Aaron Edwards yn cyrraedd, ac unwaith yn rhagor. Y Seintiau'n cael gormod o le yn y cwrt, ond y methu manteisio. Ydych chi'n disgwyl i Edwards sgorio o fanna. Oedd ydy'r Seintiau'n dioddau o ddiffyg hyder ar ôl yr hediad sal yma. Edwards ar ergyd. Bale yn syrthio teg at Sislowicz yn ei chodi hi. Oedd yn edrych fel bod hi'n mynd bell heibio'r nod, ond doedd Mike Lewis ddim yn siŵr os oedd hwnna'n slifio fewn i'r gornel ucha. Nembad at Lewis. 2 ymunodd ar Seintiau dros yr ha, y 2 heb gael llawer o ddylanwad ar y tîm hyd yma. Y bas gan Edwards at Byrne. Byrne yn un arall o'r enwau newydd. Dim ond 1 gôl iddo fo yn Uwch Gynghrair Cymru y tymor yma. Gallai ddylai fod i wneud yn well yn fanna. Patton at Southern Hales, y cefn o'r de, yn rhithro ymlaen. Dyma Cottrell. Cottrell at Torre. Torre mae Hales di parhau ar ediad. Southern Hales ar ergyd yn syth ag at Harrison. Chesterfield i 4 canfed gêm wrth y lliw. Mae o'n arwr yma ar Barc Jenner. Sislowicz. Heibio i McLagan. Bale yn taro Byrne. A Byrne yn gadarn yn y dacl. Curtis Byrne ceisio creu lle i ergydio. Fymryn heibio'r postyn gan Byrne. Ond i'r Barri heb golli gartre mae'r Barc Jenner ers mis Ionawr. Yna chwarter awr yn weddill, maen nhw'n dal i tir yn erbyn y pencampwyr. Sislowicz ymlaen, o mi gafodd Spender i lorio gan Momodou Toure, a mae Bryn Markham Jones yn pwyntio at y smotyn. Llaw Toure ar ysgwydd Spender, a mae Toure eisoes di gweld un cerdyn melyn yn barod, a mae'r blaenwr sydd ar fenthyg o gas newydd yn mynd i gael cawod gynnar. Fel am gyfle i Greg Draper felly, roi'r Seintiau ar y blaen. O mi gafodd Mike Lewis i law at y Bale. Ond ddim digon i gadw i ragwynd i gefn y rhwyd. Mae'n gôl fawr i Greg Draper, mae'n gôl bwysig i'r Seintiau. Sislowicz ar arwydd. Nembad sydd yno. A dyna'r gôl sydd selio'r triffwynt i'r Seintiau. Ac yn codi'r pencampwyr yn ôl i'w safle arferol ar frig tabl y Cynghrair. Nembad ar peniad heibio Lewis. Wel, nifer o bobl wedi bod yn sôn, mae dyma dymor gweitha'r Seintiau ers blynyddoedd, ond y gwir ydi maen nhw'n mynd nôl i frig y tabl heno yma. A mae yna gyfle am drydedd fan hyn i Greg Draper. A mi ddylai fod yn dair. Greg Draper, y peniad fymryn heibio'r nod.
Yeah, happy. Clean sheet, goals, chances created, possession dominated, worked the opposition, everything we've been asking for that hasn't really been there for the last few weeks. Always knew it would come, it's just a matter of time, and a great place to come and do it where they've had a really good home record. You know, they've probably done better than they would have thought themselves as well, and we give them respect. We've worked on things that we thought we could do today to get them, you know, troubled, and we did do that. And from minute 1, I just thought we were at it. We were professional. We moved the ball quickly and didn't really look in too much trouble, apart from the save that Paul Harrison's made in the second half. But apart from that, I thought we were fantastic.
Gavin, first of all, congratulations on your 400th game in charge, but not the right results.
No, firstly, you know, thank you ever so much, you know. 400 games is a lot of games and it's flown by really. But yeah, today I think we come up against a very good TNS outfit. I've watched their last couple of games and people say they've been on a bit of a downward slump, and obviously results, they speak for themselves. But I thought today that, you know, it's credit to us really that we come up against that type of outfit. I thought they were excellent today.
It was an even contest till the penalty decision. What was your verdict on that one?
I think it is a penalty. Modou's found himself in a position whereby, you know, he's outside looking in. he's found himself in that position because of his honesty, really, but you know, really shouldn't be there. It's a penalty, and you know, it sends us down to 10 men, and against TNS that makes things very difficult. But if you look at the game as a whole, you know, we've had a couple of counter-attack opportunities where we've done ever so well, but really we haven't probably created as much as we want to today, and ultimately I think the best team won.
Dwi'n meddwl bys fo gallu bod 4-5 heddiw, just dim cymryd dim chances, ond ni just angen y gol cyntaf, a ti'n gwybod, oedd nath ni ffeindio, ond nath ni chwarae lot gwell heddiw, mae pawb yn hapus i cymryd y 3 pwynt ni angen.
Yeah, back on top for the weekend. Good to see, but obviously Gonski have got that extra game. But it's always nice to be top of the league, and we'll continue to be there for as long as possible.
We've won 8 of our last 11 games. You know, the lads have been magnificent, and you know, credit to TNS today. Hopefully we qualify for the top 6 and we see them again later in the season.